In this video, we will discuss about how we can change the data into upper, lower, and proper case. We have the sentence and we need to change in the uppercase, so use the formula upper, bracket open, then it says text, so select the particular which is in lowercase, bracket close and enter. So you can see the changes as it changed from lowercase to the uppercase. Similarly, you need to drag it down to apply the formula below. This is how we have changed from lowercase to uppercase. Similarly, we have the uppercase data and change into lowercase. So use the lower formula, bracket open, it says text. So select the text of the uppercase, close the bracket and enter. So we have changed the data from upper to lowercase, and now again drop down to apply the formula below. Now we have the last which is proper. So you can see the data is lower, upper and different forms, so we need to change in the proper. So use the proper formula, proper, bracket open and it says text. So we select the cell, close the bracket and press enter, so you get the data in the proper case. Now need to drag it down to get the result. Now we need to paste the formula. So first we need to copy the formula, and before pasting it, type the apostrophe and paste the formula and press enter. This is how we can paste the formula as well of the uppercase. Now select the formula and make it presentable, but in the similar way we can copy the formula and apostrophe and paste it. In the similar way for the proper, again copy the formula and type apostrophe and paste it. Now to make the formula presentable, select the formula, go here in the bold and italic. Similar function use here, like select the formula, go here in the bold and italic, and the last use this again same function, italic and bold. This is how you can change the data from different cases.